Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to doing a squishy haul. So a couple of my squishies are not in this bag, so sorry about that because I lost them or something. Before I get onto this video, please give this video a big thumbs up, and our goal is 10 thumbs up. I really need that thumbs up button. I haven't got any likes or subscribed except to one person, which is Nora. Hi. So yeah, let's get on to it. Okay, so the first squishy that I pull out is this ice cream. Very squishy. The second squishy I pull out is this strawberry ice cream. Third, Puni Maro cinnamon bun. This other little ice cream, not really squishy, but this penguin. Face is squished up. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. That one. This ginormous squishy. It's so big, guys. See how big it's bigger than my camera. JK. I mean, just kidding, by the way. So, and this bunny that comes with this costume. This is not squishy. The bunny is. Woo! And this cute little husky pizza guy with a pizza right here. And this turtle. This emoji bun. This gummy bear. Oh yes, I'm a gummy bear. I'm a yummy, 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 yummy gummy bear. Oh yeah. Lots of people hate that song, so you're welcome. I'm just kidding, guys. I'm just kidding. This hamburger. See, hamburger. And this milk carton. This is like one of my slow rising is squishy that won't rise, so yeah. This cake, which smells like Bart. It smells so bad. Super squishy. This Shopkin squishy. This panda squishy. This, it did have licensing, but it's off now because I took it off. But this waffle, Hello Kitty waffle. So this emoji bun. A little other emoji bun. A pig in a blanket. A cat in a cup. I know who this favorite is. You know who I'm talking about. It's you. You right there. Right there. Not you. Not you, but you. You like it. You like it. But I mean Pete. Looks like a butt. This fucking squishy. croissant heart squishy, I think. I don't know. So good. Last but not least. Actually, you are least. Oh! I'm just kidding. It's one of those big ones, guys. So, yeah. And this is my small one. Grab out my big one. And I'm going to grab out my small one now. It's super small. So that's the end of this video. So yeah, I'm trying to upload every single day, but that's kind of hard because I do not have that much space on what I'm videoing on. It might be a camera. It might be an iPad. It might be a phone. What do you think it is? Comment down below. Question of the day. So, yeah. Shout out to Melanie. If you're watching this, you might not be watching this, but hi if you are. And Nora. Up here. Up right here. Just kidding. They're not going to be right there because I do not know how to do that. I am not advanced. I'm going to put these back in here. So, bye!